Hello friends. Now in this video we are going to discuss something about the diabetes. You all know what is diabetes. You have listened that diabetes is a disease occurring to some or the other person. But what is this diabetes? Some people say that it is the disease of sugar. And there is a false concept that if they eat more sweets, they occur diabetes. But this is not the actual condition. Diabetes is just a disease caused due to the imbalance of the hormone called as insulin. Insulin hormone is present in the pancreas or it is produced from the pancreas. Pancreas have some cells called as cells islets of Langerhans and they are producing the insulin. And this insulin is very important because it does a great job in the body. Whatever food we eat, whatever diet we take, that all is getting digested. And because of this digestion, the food is getting converted into glucose and that glucose is called as sugar. This glucose is utilized by the insulin in the normal person. When that person consumes the food is digested, it is getting converted into glucose. That glucose is utilized by the insulin. As it is utilized by the insulin, the glucose is utilized by the insulin and that person gets energy. Glucose is completely utilized. But in case of the diabetic patient, as there is less production of insulin, whatever normal food he is eating, that is getting digested, glucose is formed but very less insulin, very low insulin. So only some of the part of the glucose is utilized and he gets very less energy. Then what happens to the remaining glucose in the body? That cannot be stored and hence that is sent out of the body through the urine, and hence the diabetic patient has the frequent urge of urination because that glucose is stored in his body. That cannot be stored, that has to go out and hence it goes out through the path of urine. That glucose is not utilized because of the lack of insulin. And hence that person has to take the tablets. In severe conditions, they have to take the injections of insulin so that insulin can utilize the glucose and that glucose will not seen in the sugar in the blood or the urine level. When they have the diabetes, they have to test their sugar, they have to test their blood, they have to test their urine, and there is the presence of sugar. Presence of glucose level, sugar is high. Sugar is high, that is the glucose is not utilized because to the low production of insulin. So simple, diabetes, that is the low production of insulin because some of the cells of the pancreas are damaged and there is less production of insulin and hence the glucose level is increased found in the blood. As there is frequent urination, because of this there is loss of water and hence this person, the diabetic patient, becomes thirsty again and again. As the glucose formed by the process of digestion is not utilized, it is urinated out, there is lack of energy and hence that person's need the diet or it needs some of the snacks, timely snacks. What may be the possible reasons for the diabetes? For the cause of diabetes, many reasons are there. One of the main prominent reason is heredity. That is, if your father, if your forefather, if you're in your family, in your heredity, some or the other person is having diabetes, then there are many chances that you also may have the diabetes. The other thing is obesity. If you're obese, that is, if you're fat, then you can get the diabetes. The next thing is the physical exercise. If there is lack of physical exercise, then surely there is chance of diabetes. Along with the physical exercise, mental stress is also responsible for many of the reasons, many of the diseases, and diabetes is one of them. So try that you don't get any mental stress. Okay, now these are the symptoms. Now let us see how can you prevent the diabetes. Main thing, that is, you have to do physical exercise. Regular physical exercise can avoid the diabetes. Along with the physical exercise, proper medicines prescribed by the doctor, and also along with that the proper diet, proper exercise and the medicines, they help to prevent the diabetes. Once you have the diabetes, it cannot be cured but it can be just controlled. You may be shocked to listen that India is the largest country having the diabetic patients. And at present, in today's condition, there are 7 crore diabetic patients in India. So it's the very serious condition. Now, what's your duty? You just have to try that you will not get the diabetes. For that, you have to just take proper diet and do regular exercise. You have to maintain your head that only not only diabetes, but you may not get all other diseases. So your duty is just take proper diet and do regular exercise. Now let us discuss something detail about the diabetes. We have seen that diabetes is a disease because of the hormone insulin, that is low insulin, low production of insulin, and this hormone insulin is produced in the pancreas, and this insulin just controls the glucose level in the blood. As there is low insulin, the glucose level cannot be controlled, and hence the glucose is found in the urine or the blood, and we say that the person is suffering from diabetes. What are the symptoms? As the glucose is stored inside the body, that should be removed, and hence that is removed through the urine. Hence there is frequent urination. So the symptom for the diabetic patient, that is frequent urination. Increased obesity, that is that person becomes fat. Now what are the reasons? The main reason is heredity. Another is obesity, lack of physical exercise and mental stress. Lack of physical exercise, this may be the reason for many of the diseases. So physical exercise should be done properly. How to prevent diabetes? Let us see what is the prevention. First thing, the proper diet, exercise, and the medicines prescribed by the doctor. If these 3 things are taken, you can prevent the diabetes. Prevent the diabetes, that is once you have the diabetes, it cannot be cured. The thing only you can do is you can keep it in control by proper medicine. But before getting the diabetes, you can do this prevention. If you take the proper diet, if you do proper exercise, that is regular exercise, you can keep diabetes away. Because it's the very dangerous thing that India has largest number of diabetes patient in the world. So this is very serious condition. At present, there are 7 crore diabetic patient. So it's our duty to try to avoid ourselves from getting the diabetes by doing regular physical exercise. So here we have discussed all about the diabetes. Thank you.